declared themselves married, promising to be loving and equal partners as long as they both shall live. In celebration and recognition of what has been and done here today, it is my honor and delight to declare you henceforth husband and wife. You may, if you are so inclined, seal your vows.
Woo!
And the hot dog.
Holy crap, he actually did. Right. And all these people are here too. Oh. Don't forget anybody on your left. Right.